I have some highway pegs here that were sent to me by a company to put on my motorcycle and do a video. Now I've had these open before and taped them back up if you think they look a little dirty. The quality on them appears to be very nice. You know, they're budget units, but I was actually quite impressed with them, and you can get them in chrome and black. So let's have a look and see what we can figure out. Now here are the clamps that go on the highway bars. Here are some spacers that you need depending on the side of your bars. And then there's the two legs that attach to the clamps. These are quite good. And another Allen key, and that small Allen key is to adjust the stops right here. So I have an 8mm Allen key here that I'm just going to remove. The tricky part is there's two spacers here, and they help make a friction fit between here and the foot peg, and they're a little tricky to put in. We'll do the same on the other side. 8mm Allen key. I have a 1/4 inch extension here. Maybe this will help. That's one. I would think the other one would go the other way. Right? So I'll have a pair. One this way, one the other way. So there we go. At this point in the video, I had a problem that those parts really don't fit this bike, because these bars are not straight down at any point in here so that I could get those pegs in a comfortable position. So I ended up putting an ad on Marketplace that said if you came with your bike and they fit and we put them on together, you could have them. And a very nice guy came over with his wife and we bolted them on, but there's talking in the video that normally wouldn't be there. So we bolted them on once, got them in a nice position, found out that there's that black plastic washer, we wanted to remove it. So we marked them with a Sharpie, removed them, and everything was great. So that's what you're going to see in the second half of this video. Okay. See how much better it is?
Yeah, oh yeah. It's like right on.
Okay, so this is the one.
So
You want to put it, we'll just put it lightly, and then you can adjust it.
Just test it out, yeah.
I'm feeling like it. Okay.
Have it like almost like that.
Okay, we'll see how much I can get on that.
Yeah.
Or you can put a longer bolt in it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's tight. How's that?
Beautiful.
You good with that?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. On the outside, isn't it?
Yeah, the teeth on the outside.
Okay. On the outside. Let's just get the bolt in. Oh yeah, you can put some on. Yeah.
Sure.
I think. I don't know what their angle is.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, whatever it is, it's pretty sweet.
Okay, so we can. It's got to go a little higher, I think. I'm a little low. Like, we can only go up to there. And then we would like a little more in, right? I don't know how much more I can.
I think that was pretty
So
good.
if
It's
we,
just this angle.
so if we slide it out like this, we
Oh
can
yeah,
get,
this is the part.
we
Yeah.
can get this part in a bit more. I'm trying to do it upside down here. Okay, so I want to take the black grommet out, so I marked above and below and vertically so that there's a chance that I'll get it back in the same spot.
Yep.
So I'm going to have you line up this part
Okay.
here, and so what we're trying to do is put it right back without the plastic grommet.
Gotcha.
Okay?
I'll go like this.
There we go. Tell me what you think.
That's good.
You're good?
Yep.
Okay.
They do.
I'm pretty impressed.
And they're sleek when you close them too. Like you